Your please.
Yes, Mr. Calilong, you are excused, sir.
Thank you.
And thank you for your time and cooperation with this impeachment court.
Thank you so much, NBI Senior Agent John Marcalin. Thank you so much.
Hold on, Mr. Calilong. Yes, Senator Judge Padilla. What is your pleasure, sir?
Ginoong tagapamahala ng hukumang ito, nais ko lamang po sana hingin ang mga credentials ng ating saksi kung paano po lahat ng certification, lahat upang mapatunayan po natin lahat na
Earlier, but kindly respond to the question of Senator Judge. Before recognizing Attorney Milon. Okay.
Na iyong protektahan, iligtas sa kapahamakan, pinsala at karamdaman. Pagkalooban mo sila ng banal na takot sa iyo, at kung babaan, kanilang igalang ang kanilang mga magulang.